Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to deposit money or transfer funds to your Degiro account. So you can deposit new funds into your investment account via a manual bank transfer or via a direct deposit or so forth. So please note that we can only process a deposit from your reference account. It is not possible to link a bank account held in the name of a company or other person. So for manual payment, here are the steps. First, log into your trading platform and hover over the deposit or withdraw button in the top right corner of the web trader. In the app, you'll find this option by first tapping on the menu icon in the upper left corner, and then select deposit and then choose manual transfer to Degiro. And then lastly, transfer funds from your bank using the details shown in the window. Please note that if you have multiple accounts with us and the bank details showed the name of the beneficiary as Stitching Degiro, please mention the username of the target account in the description section of your transfer. Next, for direct deposit, what you want to do is log in again to your trading platform and hover over the deposit or withdraw button in the top right corner of the web trader. In the app, you'll find this option by first tapping on the menu icon in the upper left corner, and then select deposit and then choose for instant transfer with so forth. Choose the bank account from which you would like to deposit and enter how much you would like to deposit. Click on transfer and then confirm, and then complete the deposit via your personal online banking environment, and then you're done. After a completed deposit, we will credit the funds to your account within 30 minutes, and then you can follow the status of your deposit via the account statement in your trading platform. Please note that there is a fee for using so forth. It is CHF 125, so you can deposit up to CHF 10,000 at once if you use so forth. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to deposit or transfer funds to your Degiro account. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.